Hi there, students. Dysfunctional. Dysfunctional. Okay, this means does not function properly. It doesn't work properly. Okay, so not performing its proper or intended function. Functioning, working incorrectly. Yeah. Now, most commonly nowadays, we hear this about families or social groups. So, a dysfunctional family. This is a very common collocation that you will hear. So, a dysfunctional family is one that doesn't work properly. It's a family where there is conflict, there is bad behavior, often the children are neglected, very often there's substance abuse, alcohol or drugs, and this is what a dysfunctional family is. Yeah, it doesn't work as it properly should, as it should do properly. Yeah, a dysfunctional family is normally there's a lack of empathy. The parents perhaps deny that the family is dysfunctional. The boundaries are not well defined. People don't keep promises. There's extremes of conflict, particularly too much arguments, too many arguments, and unfair treatment of different people. Yeah, this is a dysfunctional family. I think you could also use this, they use this word, a dysfunctional social group. And I think, personally, I think that we often that we live in a dysfunctional society. Yeah, I'm not sure it's functioning as it should properly. So the dysfunctionality of the family group leads to problems for the children. Okay, so dysfunctional. I guess you could have a business that is dysfunctional, yeah, or a unit that is dysfunctional. It's not working as it should. I think you can probably have dysfunctional organs in medicine. I think maybe you could have a dysfunctional banking system. Yeah, or maybe we have at the moment we have a dysfunctional use of fossil fuels. I guess relationships could be dysfunctional. I'm sure we've all had dysfunctional relationships. Yeah. Normally, if you have a dysfunctional relationship with someone, that's because one of you or both of you come from a dysfunctional background. Yeah. Dysfunctional is used. It describes behavior which is different from what is considered to be normal. Yeah. It's a family or a social group where there is a breakdown of the normal positive relationships between the members of the group, and they don't help each other. So it's something that's unable to function normally. Yeah, there are just abnormal psychosocial interactions. Yeah, so the dysfunctionality. Yeah, the family was organized dysfunctionally. There you go with an adverb as well. Okay, so formality, dysfunctional. This to me sounds like a psychiatrist's word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. Use it in the semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal as well. And then as to origin, it comes from dis, not, the opposite, and function, from Latin functio, performance, execution, fungor, to perform, to execute, to discharge. So yeah, effectively not discharging your duties. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dysfunctional, dysfunctionality, dysfunctionally.